Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your spending strategy with Capital One step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Capital One account on their website or app. Navigate to the spending section where you can view your transactions. Take a moment to categorize your spending to understand where your money goes. Identify your essential expenses such as rent, utilities, and groceries. Next, look at your discretionary expenses like dining out, entertainment, and shopping. Set a monthly budget for each category based on your income and financial goals. Utilize Capital One's budgeting tools to help track your spending against your set limits. Monitor your progress regularly to stay aligned with your budget. Consider setting up alerts for transactions or budget limits to keep you informed. If you notice overspending in certain categories, reassess and adjust your budget as needed. Explore options for cash back or rewards on your spending to maximize your benefits. Review your spending strategy at the end of each month to identify trends and areas for improvement. Stay disciplined by sticking to your budget and making conscious spending choices. Leverage any financial education resources offered by Capital One to enhance your financial literacy. Always keep your financial goals in mind to guide your spending decisions. By implementing these steps, you can effectively manage your spending strategy with Capital One. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then if your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.